Happy Mother's Day, Lola Calabog, Lola Christy, Mama Lay, Lola Inday, Tita Mabel, Tita Jing, Tita Elang, Tita Ling, and Tita Ga.
Yay! Happy Mother's Day! Mother's Day sa lahat ng mama!
Buing Tamok Vlog. Thank you so much for the invitation. Ayan, happy Mother's Day and happy birthday. Wish you good health and ang katawa ba? Makagitik yung kayo. So, happy birthday. Just enjoy your special day. At wala na ako ibang mawi-wish pa. Mabuhay ka. Ayan na, mabuhay ka. Maginhawa pa tayo ng long years. Alright? So, kita-kits mamaya. Thank you so much for inviting us.
Hello, Ma'am Kitty or Kinabuhing Tambok. Mega loud shout out and gusto kitang batiin na happy birthday. Isa ako sa nahingian ng birthday greetings. Ayun. Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo at manatilihing maganda at yung tawa mo ay nakakadala. Ayun. Ingat and God bless you always. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Bye!
Happy birthday to my cousin Lian. I hope you are in good health always. And more birthdays to come. And God bless and more power to your family. I miss you.
Birthday po Ate Katie. Wish ko po ay lagi kayong healthy, maganda at laging masaya. Salamat. Happy birthday na rin po.
Hi Ate Le, happy birthday to you. Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy birthday, Te. Enjoy your day. Thank you for always being there for me and Mama and for supporting whenever Mama gets sick and I'm not there. Thank you very much. And you're like not my cousin but my sister. I love you and happy birthday. Stay healthy, have a blast. I miss you and hoping to see you soon. Happy birthday. Bye. Gihangak na jud ko ti tambok na kay ko gihangak na happy birthday. Bye.
Ayan, wala nang intro. Basta, happy birthday to you, Miss Kinabuhing Tambok. Sana pagpalain ka pa ng Diyos at may all your wishes come true and with all the goodness in the world like good health and happiness always. Good day. Happy birthday.
Hello, good evening, ma'am. Hoy. Happy +1 di ay, ma'am. Oh, pasensya namin yan. Nagmas ko. Basta, dahil sekreto nga nung nagmas ko. Sorry kayo, nagmas ko. Happy birthday, ma'am. And God bless you more. And always pretty and always be humble. Thank you and love. Mama chup. Bye.
Happy birthday, Kitty! Kinabuhing Tambok Vlog. Happy birthday. Mayamdum dungog ko sa imong pangalan. Mayamdum yun ako na imuhang taridhay. Magbag ako mga padunggan, madunggan, sa bara? Madunggan ako imong taridhay. Maapil ta si imong katawa. And ang wish na ko nga tagagagmay paglawas sa kanunay. Ug padayon sa mong gagwapa og sa imong katawa nga makahata sa kalipay sa uban. Happy birthday, Kitty!
Grabe kayo. Ang ganda naman ng mga mensahe nyo. Maraming salamat. Yes, mabuhay tayo hanggat gusto natin. Kaya naman gusto ko pang mabuhay ng another 45 years. Kaya mag-rolling into deep po na ako dito mga friends. And maraming salamat talaga sa lahat ng mga nagpadala ng kanilang mga mensahe, ng kanilang mga good luck greetings. Thank you. At sa aking family, maraming thank you. Bye!